How many of you have tried to have a productive day, but by noon you're already feeling burnt out? I know how hard it is to balance work, life, and still take care of yourself. But today I'm going to share how I have found that sweet spot between being productive and giving myself the self care I need. If you're struggling with this, stay tuned. Hello, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tarasha. I make content on lifestyle, productivity, and personal growth. If you have ever felt like life is a constant juggle between productivity and taking care of yourself, well, you're not alone. It's like we are all trying to be those super efficient machines, and we get so caught up that we forget to take care of ourselves in the process, right? But today I'm gonna talk about how to create a balanced routine that combines the best of both worlds, productivity and self care. Because honestly, I know how hard it can be to find that sweet spot. I've been there, I've struggled too. First, let me say this. As someone who's balancing a full life, being married, living in a metro city like Gurgaon on my own, finding a direction career wise in my 30s, if you do not know, I left my corporate job last year and I've been figuring out life ever since. And I know things can get overwhelming. Sometimes it feels like I'm running around doing all these things, and by the end of the day, I'm just exhausted. Like, what happened to taking care of myself? So, in today's video, I wanted to share some of my tips I have picked up along the way that have helped me to create a balanced routine, and I really hope that you will find these helpful too. So, grab a drink, get comfy, and let's chat about how to create a balance in our routines. Okay, so let's be real for a minute. How many of you have tried to create a super productive day only to feel burnt out by noon? Me too. It's like you wake up with all these grand plans. I'm going to be so productive today. I'm gonna crush my to-do list. You have got it all laid out. Your emails, grocery list, meetings, content creation, and then bam, life happens, right? You get distracted, or if you're like me, you see a new makeup haul or a new coffee spot that just popped up in your city on Instagram, and there goes your focus. And by the time the day's over, you are exhausted and you didn't even get time to take care of yourself. I mean, does anyone feel like this sometimes? It's like the day just slips away from you, but the truth is, if you don't take care of yourself, you're not gonna be able to give your best to everything or anything that you might do. And that is where the balance comes in. Now, when I talk about self-care, I'm not talking about those fancy face masks and bubble baths, although they sound good too. But self-care is so much more than that. It's about being kind to yourself, setting boundaries, and giving yourself the permission to rest without feeling guilty. For me, self-care has always been about carving some time out of my routine to just be, whether that is reading a book for 10 minutes, going for a slow walk, or just sitting with my coffee, not thinking about anything, no pressure, future worries, and what I have to do next. Because we all have those days where where we feel like we are giving to our jobs, to our side hustles, to our families, and everything in between. And when do we give to ourselves? It is so easy to forget. So now let's talk about how we can actually mix productivity with self-care and don't feel burnt out and also get things done. Alright, let's get into it. The secret to a balanced routine is finding intentionality. And I'll be real with you, this does not happen overnight. It took me a while to figure out how to mix getting things done with actually making time for me. But here's how I have done it, and I hope it helps you too. First off, start with a very flexible morning routine. Now I know we all hear about these picture perfect morning routines, but the real thing is sometimes you do not have the time to do that 90-minute meditation, right? For me, the morning is my chance to set the tone of my day. So I'll make sure to get up, stretch for 5 minutes, move my body in any way that feels good, have my coffee and a quiet moment to myself. This way, I'm starting my day with a positive mindset and I've already taken out time for me. Remember, it's not about getting everything perfect. If you can't do the whole shebang every day, that's okay. Our goal is to start the day with intention, make it work for you. Next, set boundaries for work. I know as someone who works from home, it is so easy to dive into work. Those emails, those work tasks are just waiting for you. And the first thing that you do the moment you wake up, you think about them or you turn on that laptop. But I have learned that if I don't set out time for me first, I feel drained and I can't give my best energy at work. So now I make sure to give at least 30 minutes to myself before sitting down to work. No checking emails, no jumping into work tasks. It is my quiet time to focus and breathe. Then when I do start working, I make sure to take breaks. I used to think I had to work non-stop to be productive, but soon I realized that it is so unsustainable. So I usually set a timer for 45-minute work session followed by a 15-minute break. Simple but so effective. Taking breaks in between allows me to stay focused and energetic throughout the day. Also, let's talk about doing one thing at a time. I used to multitask so much, like cooking, answering emails, answering calls, scrolling on Instagram and whatnot, but I found out that I wasn't giving 100% to anything in my life. So now I try to focus on one thing, finish it and then move on. It is much more satisfying and I feel like I accomplished so much. Finally, let's talk about how to mix in self-care moments with productivity. You have got to prioritize your mental health, guys. And self-care doesn't have to be this huge time-consuming thing. Sometimes it is just about making those small intentional choices throughout your day. For example, after a busy work day, I'll take a quick 10-minute walk or sit down with my coffee, read a book or watch an episode of my favorite Netflix series. Like, it doesn't have to be this grand spa day, just simple little breaks that give your brain some rest. The key is don't let your work consume you. Remember that you don't live to work, you work to live, which means that your work is sustaining your lifestyle. Remember, work is just a part of our life, not the whole thing. It is so important to make time for yourself to do things outside of work that make you happy, because at the end of the day, it is about living your life, not just to check off some tasks of a to-do list. So set aside time for the little things that bring you joy. Your favorite Netflix episode, opening a wine after work, grabbing a coffee from your favorite coffee shop, whatever it is, make it a part of your routine so that you're constantly giving yourself these little moments of relief. And that's it, guys. It is all about creating a balance that works for you. Not everything needs to be perfect and your routine does not have to look like anyone else's. The most important thing is to create something that supports both your productivity and your well-being. Life is all about balance, and when we take care of ourselves, we are able to show up as the best versions of ourselves in everything we do. So remember to be kind to yourself. We are all figuring it out together. Let me know in the comments what your routines look like. Do you mix productivity with self-care, or are you still working on finding that balance? Let's talk about it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any future content. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.